Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick method or a quick tip of how to hide sensitive information in your images. And that can be a telephone number or a person who's accidentally in the image. It can also be, well, in this case, a frame on the wall, which might have an image of persons in there. So any type of data you don't want to show. And what we're going to do is drag the hotspot in there, and we're going to add a text hotspot. And this text hotspot we're going to overlay on that frame here. So we turn on these two to make it a custom size fit into this position. And let's set the size to 177. Already did a bit of preparation for that. Now, as you can see, it doesn't really line up yet. It can be like this, but it might be a bit nicer to try to get it matching the frame. We're going to do that by pushing the right side backward. So this already looks a bit better. And move it a bit. Yep, that looks a bit better. So by removing the text, it actually is just a bit of a black box now. So this is a quick method of hiding information. In the future, we're going to add a bit of coloring to this as well, but for now, I'd just like to show you this little tip. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.